Velcro. Velcro, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Velcro? You gotta check out the whole yard. What is it? This is Velcro's first day at home. We just brought her home from Nebraska, so she's getting to check out the yard. We warned the squirrels this morning that they would no longer have run of the yard. Here she is. Do you want to go in the woman cave? Or do you want to go back in the house with Dad? Velcro. Hi, Velcro. Good girl, yeah. You're such a sweet girl. What is it? What is it? Check it out. Yeah, good girl. Come on, Velcro. Come on, Velcro. You want to come to the woman cave? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Velcro. Yeah. Good girl. See, she pees outside like a good girl. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Velcro. Come on. Come with Mom. Come on. Let's come to the woman cave. Come on, sweetie. Come on, Velcro. Come on, Velcro. Come on. Mom can't whistle. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. It's a good girl. Yeah, you're so good. You're so sweet.